Day 202, Book of Mysteries by Jonathan Cahn, Yarden, the Descender. He led me to the edge of a small valley. "Look," he said, pointing to a rocky slope with the other side of the valley down which a stream of water was cascading. "It comes from a nearby spring," he said, and descends the slope to a pool at the bottom of the valley, similar to the river that flows through the Promised Land. The Jordan? Yes, the Jordan flows from one end of Zion to the other, and as it flows, it gives life to the land. It begins its course in the north of Mount Hermon and flows down to Galilee, then through the Jordan Valley to the wilderness of Judea, and finally into the Dead Sea, where it comes to its end. In Hebrew, the Jordan is called Yarden. Do you know its meaning? No. It comes from the Hebrew word Yardad. Yardad means to go down, to descend. So the Jordan means the descender. All rivers descend, he said, but no river descends as much as does the Jordan. It descends so far that it ends its journey in the lowest part on the earth, the Dead Sea. And yet, it is the Jordan that descends that gives life to the Promised Land. What is the revelation of the Yarden? It is through the descent, I said, that life is given. Yes, said the teacher. And who is the descender? God. God is the descender. Yes, said the teacher. God is the Yarden. It is the Most High who is the descender. Only He can fully descend. And so the descender humbled himself, descending from the heights to come into the world and take the form of a man. And as the Jordan descends to the Galilee, so the descender came to the land of Galilee, and there gave life to those in need. And in the same way, the Jordan descends from the Galilee to the Dead Sea, to the lowest parts of the earth. So, from the Galilee, the descender went down to the lowest of depths, to death and judgment. For God is love, and the nature of love is to descend that it might give itself, and that we, in its descent, might find life. And those who have to receive the life of the Yarden must likewise descend to give of that life to others. For God is the Yarden, and the Yarden is love. Formation. As God descended in Messiah, the descender, in order to bless us, so today descend, go lower, pour out your life, that you might be a blessing to others. Ephesians 4, 8 through 10, Philippians 2, 3 through 9, James 4, verse 10.